My name is Reeza and I'm an early intervention assistant at Pediatric Therapy Network. Today, we are going to show you how to make some slime. Remember, it is okay to get a little messy during this. All right, friends, are you ready to get started? Let's go!
Okay, first we'll need a big glass bowl. Then we can use 1 cup of school glue. About 2 regular sized bottles is fine. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Half a cup of water. 3 tablespoons of contact solution. And of course you can't forget your food coloring. And last but not least, glitter. To start, I'm going to go ahead and fill my empty bowl with our glue. Then I'll add in our baking soda. Next, we can pour some water into the mix. After that, I'll pour in some contact solution. And it's okay to experiment with this amount. This part's my favorite. Time to add some color. Pour as much food coloring into the mix as you'd like. And once everything is in our bowl, we can mix until stretchy. You may find that your slime is a little too watery, so go ahead and add more contact solution or baking soda. Go ahead and experiment with this one. Once you find the right texture, have extra fun by adding glitter if you'd like. Continue mixing and kneading until voila! Now parents, you might be asking, where do I place the slime once I'm done with it? You can either leave it in the bowl that you made it in with some saran wrap on top of it, or you can just put it in an old Tupperware with a lid. Here are some things we can use for our fine motor activities. Slime is not only fun, but it's a great way to incorporate tactile play and fine motor activities. One way to incorporate fine motor activities would be to find a favorite toy of theirs, or use buttons of their favorite color. Play hide and seek in the slime. Allow your kiddo to retrieve the toys or buttons themselves. Remember, always keep an eye on your kiddo while there's small objects present. Another way to get the family involved is to use the slime for imaginary play as well.
And there you have it, friends. We made some slime together and we figured out how to play with some slime. There's a ton of ways to play with it, get creative, and it'll be a great opportunity for the whole family to participate in it. Alrighty, friends, take care.